So now that we've identified local places of interest that connect us with the Revolutionary War, I want to take a moment to examine one particularly local place and see what kind of information we can find out about it using a database. So we are going to take a moment to focus on the Battle of Brandywine, which was a battle that took place in nearby Chadds Ford in 1777 between American and British troops that ultimately resulted in a British victory. Alright, so how many of you guys have used databases in school before? I thought so. So you're all experts by now. That is wonderful. So you're already well aware that a database is an organized collection of electronic information that allows users to search for a particular topic, article, book, or item in a variety of ways. Alright, excellent. So you all can help me navigate this one. Let's see it in action. So we're going to start out at our local library page, delcolibraries.org, and then we're going to click on Explore e-resources. And then we're going to search by keyword. You can see the full list of databases here available to us. We can filter by category, and we can filter by audience. What do you think we should search for? Okay, let's try American Revolution. Do we want to use any filters? Teens, okay. Anything else? History, excellent. We'll put in American Revolution and search. So here are the select databases it has given us results for. Which one do you think will have what we're looking for? We're looking for information on the Battle of Brandywine, so American Revolution. You can see we have American Decades, 2000-2009, American Eras, 1860. Which one of these? Right, American History Online. And why? Exactly, it doesn't have the restrictive dates like these others do. That would obviously leave out the American Revolution. And it seems like it is the most general. These others are a little bit more specific. Handbook of Native American Mythology and Black Literature Criticism. Ancestry might have some interesting information, but probably not what we're looking for. So let's go into American History Online. So once we're in here, how should we search? Battle of Brandywine, okay. Okay, so here are our results. Which one of these is most likely to quickly lead us to a map? Images, that's excellent. And there we have it. A map of the Battle of Brandywine, along with a brief description here of the battle. You can see also the blue lines and red lines representing American and British troop movements respectively. Oh, and look, see here, Chadds Ford? How many of you live in Chadds Ford? A few of you. It's pretty neat to see such a familiar place as part of history. And then for some perspective for you, here's the Google Maps version. Let's go back to that. So you can see where we are, right here in Concord. And here is the battlefield. You can see how close it really is. Now, when you go to the Brandywine Battlefield website, and I've included the link a little further on, you can click into the map and click on each little flag there, and it tells you what the historical point of interest is that happened there. So you should definitely take advantage of having all of this history in your backyard. Does anyone have any questions at this point? Okay, Okay, so we're going to move on to finding primary sources. Again, I am sure you are all experts, so you know that primary sources are the raw materials of history. They are original documents, objects, and first-hand accounts, examples of which can include letters, journals, newspapers, photographs, government documents, official records, and so on. So let's go back to our search results here. And would you look at that? Exactly, right there. They give us primary sources as a search category. So let's click into this first one here. So this first result is a diary account from a young American soldier. I really love that this database provides a little introduction for you on what the document is. And then note over on the right-hand side over here that the database gives us the source for the information, the record type, it's a diary, account, or memoir, the date, and the author. And what is the second source? Who can tell me? Right, exactly. It is not about the Battle of Brandywine. It is actually about the Battle of Germantown, but you can see why this came up in our results, right? Because it's highlighted right here. Okay, and I'd like to get back to the home page real quick, actually, just to show you guys something. You can also search here. They have it listed out for you by topic centers, so you could go American Revolution, Gilded Age, what have you. You can also search by key primary sources if you want to do primary sources by era, by Cold War documents, founding documents, key maps and graphs, if you want to search maps for different time periods, events, etc. Okay, so now we're going to move into the final portion of our activity today, analyzing primary sources, but I wanted to show you these resources. Some books you can check out today, and websites that will provide more information for you. All right, now we're moving on to analyzing primary resources.